I'm going to run a bit of an experiment today, and I found this huge oversized zucchini in my garden, and I want to know if I can actually harvest some seed from it, because I obviously can't eat it anymore. Check out all that mold, and it's so soft I can actually poke my finger through it. So I'm actually wondering, is this going to be a total flop and it's going to stink out my kitchen? Or is there actually going to be some harvestable seed in there? Let's give it a go. I'm going to get a chopping board first. So so it'll be easier to chop up. Let's just chop the end of it off and see. It looks really... No, that knife is not going to happen. Let's get a bigger one. I feel like I need an axe. Oh, that's disgusting. I need the chicken bucket. It's very mushy. It doesn't stink, which is surprising. Let's see if we can split it open. Oh my goodness. Cut the end off without chopping my finger off. Oh look, there's some seeds. I don't know if they're completely mature, but these ones are drier. I think they are mature enough. That one's nice and fat. Do you know what? I'll get a bowl and I'll see if... Grab out a bowl for me. I'll see if I can dry these out a little bit, and I'm going to see if I can grow them next year. I definitely think I will be able to if I pick some of the big fat plump ones, because these zucchinis were fantastic. They I only had the one plant in there, and even though I just had the one plant, I got heaps of fruit off it. It was like it was self-pollinating. It really had no problems making heaps of fruit. So I'm glad that I'm able to get some seed. Oh my goodness. I don't want to open it. Look at that. Why is it... That's disgusting. Oh my goodness. There's no smell, which is incredible. I don't know what... Something must have been living in there. Maybe earwigs or something. That's all those little black dots.
It might be the poo.
And they've been eating the inside of it. The seeds are quite smaller than what I think, but these seeds are in the juicier part. They seem to be, you know, good. So, yeah, why not? I don't know. It's dry at this end. I might have to give them a quick wash, and then I'll dry them out. And then I'm going to grow them for next year. A lot of them are quite plump and don't look like they've been eaten at all. Whatever was living in here, like I suspect earwigs, it's eaten the fruit. Look at all that juice coming off it. It's horrendous. The chickens are going to love that. There's no mold. It's not on the inside of the zucchini. It's just lots of earwig poo. But that'll be great. I'm going to sow them and they're going to grow. They're really, a lot of them are nice and fat, beautiful. All right, the rest can go to the chickens. They're going to enjoy that. They're not going to know what hit them. They would prefer if the earwigs were still in there though. Great. Don't move. There we go. We've got all the mystery poo off them, and we'll let them dry out on the bench, and they should be right to use next year.